We are deeply honored and sincerely grateful for your trust in EagerLED and your choice to purchase our 74-piece GOB P1.95 indoor EA500C3 curved screen. The GOB Glass Onboard module is our pride. It not only provides excellent image quality and visual effect, but also has excellent waterproof, anti-bump and dust-proof performance. This means that no matter how harsh the environmental conditions are at your event venue, our LED screens can maintain excellent performance and present you with an excellent visual feast. Our team is committed to providing you with excellent pre-sales and after-sales service, ensuring that you receive full support in every aspect of selecting, installing and maintaining LED screens. Your satisfaction is our ultimate goal, and we will proactively respond to your needs and questions to ensure your LED screen remains in top condition. EagerLED will continue to work tirelessly to provide you with high-quality products and comprehensive services to help you achieve complete success.